It is a deep and dark night. The sky was overcast and there was a chill in the air. A young man, named Michael, was returning from his office work and was standing at the bus stop. He lived in a quiet area where it was often quiet at night, and so he routinely stood waiting for the bus. That night, there was no one else in sight at the bus stop. Michael took out his phone from his pocket and looked at the time. The bus was still some time away, so he sat on the bench. At the same time, an unusual soft sound was heard. Michael looked up and saw an old woman standing in a corner of the bus stop. She looked very old and wrinkled, but there was a strange twinkle in her eyes. Michael felt that the woman was looking at him. He was lost in his thoughts, but the woman suddenly started talking. "Son, where are you going?" he asked in a soft but mysterious tone. Michael replied, "I'm going home, waiting for the bus." The woman said with a smile, "Did you know that some strange things happen in this area?" Michael asked in surprise, "What kind of events?" The woman raised her wrinkled fingers to the sky and said, "At night, some people say that unusual things can be seen here. Some things that are hidden from human sight. I've been here many times, and I don't find anything out of the ordinary," Michael replied with a small laugh. The woman shook her head and said, "Perhaps you haven't noticed. Sometimes you need a few more eyes to see the truth." Michael felt strange, but he didn't pay much attention. He kept waiting for the bus, but there was no sign of the bus. The woman started again, "Did you know that this bus stop was once another place?" "I don't know," Michael said disapprovingly. "This place used to be a cemetery. People were buried here in the olden days," the woman said. Michael was a little nervous, but said, "Maybe, but now it's just a bus stop." The woman was silent for a moment, then she said, "Sometimes, people who were buried here come back again." Michael felt that the woman's words were becoming more strange. He looked at the time on his phone and thought that the bus should have arrived by now. He looked around, but there was nothing. You never know who will come back. Sometimes, they come back to deliver their message, the woman said with another smile. Michael felt that the air was getting colder and a deep rustling of wind was heard. He thought for a moment to leave, but then the sound of the bus came. A sudden gust of wind blew at the bus stop, and the woman held out her wrinkled hand to Michael. In her hand was an ancient pendant. She said to Michael, "This is for you. Take it and remember my advice." Michael took the locket and boarded the bus. As he got into the bus, he looked back, but the woman had disappeared. The bus started moving, and Michael thought that maybe he was dreaming or that the woman was actually a witch. After getting off the bus, Michael seized the locket. Inside it was a small key, like a secret to some hidden reality. Michael thought that he would not go to that bus stop again, because there must be something mysterious there. Dear viewers, if you like to watch this kind of stories, do subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you.